In this video, I will show you how to check the total size of a folder using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Now, we will use a simple command to see the size of any folder. Type this command in the terminal, du space -sh, then the folder name. Let me explain this. The letters du mean disk usage. The -s option gives only the total size. The -h option shows the size in a human-readable format like KB, MB or GB. Replace folder name with the name or path of the folder you want to check. You can see or copy your folder name by going into the folder you want to check. After opening that folder, you will find your complete folder name at the top. For example, I am going to check the space of videos folder. I will type this, du space -sh, then my complete folder name. Press Enter and you will see the total size of the folder on the left side. That's it. Now you know how to check the size of any directory using the command line in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.